Hi, this is Josh Fonger and welcome to Tuesday's Field Report, where I share with you some of the tips, tricks, and secrets we're using in the field and how you can apply it to your business right now. And the topic of the day is how to boost profitability in 3 steps guaranteed. And we'll be talking about a precision machine shop in Western Michigan and how they use this concept to make their company more profitable. And you can use it too. All right, so this business had been around for decades, almost 30 years actually, and the business owner was very successful and quite efficient. But what we knew is it could get better, as with all businesses. So we started off by identifying a process, and that's step number 1. And we chose to identify a process that was happening now. It was going to be happening next week, next month, next year, over and over and over again. So the more often this process happens, or this task happens in your business, the more potent what we're going to go through today will be for you. So this was a shift change. There was a shift change from the first shift to the second shift every day. It included 40 people on the line. So 20 people in the first shift, 20 people in the second shift. And so we found that process, and step 2 was we actually documented it. So we documented it exactly how it's happening now. And this was kind of a challenge because it had never been documented before. This was more of a time to have first shift, hang out with second shift, and to chat about what they were working on and what the goals were and what the timeline was. And it hadn't been thought through. This might be the same for your business as well. So first, you find the process. Second, you document it. And third is you think through it and you tweak it. You make it better. So this process had taken 15 minutes every single day. First shift to second shift, 15-minute overlap for 20 employees. And we were able to take that 15 minutes and shrink it down to 5 minutes, which doesn't seem earth-shattering, but when you realize that we spent 1 hour doing it, and this 1 hour guarantees them $20,000 of extra profitability every single year, it starts to seem more fun. It's something worth doing, right? It's a worthy investment, possibly more worthy than looking at new innovation, new technology, new machines, that next superstar employee. If you invest it in the process that you're going to be continuing to do, it's a lot less risky and guarantees you're going to be increasing in profits. Whether you increase in $5,000 in profit a year or $100,000 in profit a year, it really depends on what you pick for your business. So for your business, think about this and see if you can apply it, and I'd love to hear your comments and hear how you're applying it, how it's working for you. Next week, I'm going to be talking about Sam's $1 million document and how we applied it to a used car dealership in Southern California. I think you're going to really enjoy it. Talk to you next Tuesday.